You gonna go first, James? Nope, that's not at all what we were talking about. We're talking about the center one because the center one will send you up. This one sends you into the pole, as it turns out. Creighton is up. Oh! Stop! Oh my God! It's not driving.
Wait, come out.
It won't drive. Oh.
No.
It won't move.
Oh no.
It lost power. I don't know if it just. Oh, it came unplugged. Does it live really? So literally, it is rear-wheel drive only for some reason. The body's done. And why not? Do it one more time, huh? I need a kid to flip me over. Is that supposed to look like that?
Yeah.
Is that? That is.
It's still on. That's sad. That is my phone.
Oh.
And yours is like taking
Oh, I thought you had it. I don't even know how many. I don't even know how many backflips that was. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was bad. Oh my gosh, look at your bumper. Oh, you got a shock. You got a shock rod in. Those are simple. No, those are just shock rod in. We have some spares. That looks like that lived otherwise. And look at this. How does the bumper do that? How did
I have that same problem?
it rip that whole bumper all the way out?
Oh my God.
But
I got both shots.
you got both shock ends. Both shock ends, but I bet it drives. Alright. Well, you made it. Ow! Ow! Hey! Oh! Look, I think with a huge run, we could literally get up to almost full speed right here, and we would land out there somewhere.
Pop! Look! The slow-mo.
Hey, it lands in the grass. It's nice and soft. Oh, he didn't make it. Oh, he didn't. Oh, that broke, didn't it?
No, it's not.
I saw it land on the wheel.
Oh, the back bumpers.
Yeah, the back bumpers come out.
See this.
It's lived.
Oh my God!
Landed. Nice. Beautiful. On your wheels. Oh! Oh, and a beautiful landing, sir. Oh, I thought I had enough.
It's right.
You got a lot of dirt.
That rear doesn't look good.
I don't know.
The wheels were floppy.
Were they?
Bearing.
Oh no.
Flash, it's not gonna be expensive. Oh, thump. Unbreakable bodies, man. That's why we buy them.
Oh!
I wish I had that.
Is that what that's supposed to look like? Here. Oh my gosh, it's like wedged in there. Stop, you got. Ha! Rear wheel drive only. Nice. Oh. Nice. Oh, that's a thump. That thing backflips so easy. Oh! Hey, now you made it. Oh.
Nice. That was real.
Ow! That got me.